Hey there, everybody. It's Chad here with a quick update. Today is March 12th. It's Friday. I'm noticing some holes in my plastic. I'm wondering how those got there. But time for a smidgen of an update. So stay tuned. So your update for today is going to be a small one because I'm busy packing. Emily and I are going on vacation for the first time in 4 years, I believe, and like a real vacation. We do small traveling trips, weekends here. We've had 2 weekends away from the kids, but we're going on a real bona fide vacation. We're going to Costa Rica for 8 days, 8 nights. So we're really excited. We leave tomorrow. It's gonna be a good time, but I wanted to come out here, check on everything, because we've had lots of really cold weather lately. I'm warming up the tractor to plow the driveway, and I just wanted to say a few things that commenters and people have mentioned to me from the last video. If I was really super motivated, what I would be doing today, since it's sunny and the greenhouse is, sorry, I'm fiddling with my phone. There we go. Since it's sunny and it's really nice in the greenhouse, it's only it was -7, which set a record last night. And right now it's probably in the teens or so. We're supposed to get up to 30 today, so really warm. But in here it's 70, at least 75. So anyway, I digress. What I wanted to tell everybody was, again, I wanted to re-emphasize that soil tests are not my strong suit. So a handful of you people, especially Jeff reached out. He's like, hey, on the right-hand column, that's all ounces, not pounds. So my manganese, my potassium, all that stuff that I'm adding, the micronutrients. The turkey's coming in and gonna make a ruckus. Shoo! Those are in ounces, not pounds. So that's very important to remember, to actually read and pay attention to your test results. Ounces, not pounds. And then I forgot to explain that you have to ratio it out. So, you can't buy just straight up manganese. It comes in a percentage in a blend. So we'll say 20 pounds, and it's going to be a 20% or the manganese is going to come in 25%, we'll say, or 20%, whatever. 10 pounds, it's 25%. So it's going to be 2.5 pounds worth in that 10-pound bag. So you have to figure out your ratios of product that you're putting in. When I get back, if I remember, I will do a video on that. But this is my notification to you to, again, don't listen to me on this particular subject, on any subject. I'm telling you how I do it. You make your own darn decisions. But yeah. Also, seeds. I'm still getting a few seed packages trickling in. I'm going to cut that off here pretty soon. I'm going to the post office today to send out. I think I have 7 or 8 that are going to go out today. I had 1 come back. I'm just running out of time to do that because I'm going to start spending more time out here, especially when I have to go in there and add postage and whatnot. Everybody's been to the post office. You know how long it takes to go in there, even when it's a relatively easy process or small things. It's waiting in line and all that. So I'm just going to run out of time here shortly. And next year we'll have a better method for seed acquisition from us. But other than that, I don't really have a whole lot. All the sulfur and the other things that I ordered, those all showed up from Alpha Chemicals, so they're here. Once I get back, I will do the math to know how much I need to put down. I'll sprinkle that down. We're going to rototill this, put in a cover crop, and then just hurry up and wait till springtime shows up. April, we'll start the seeds. And then somebody mentioned too, I was saying that you start seeds this month. It's totally wrong. April is when you start the seeds, not March. So I don't know what I was thinking there. I was having a brain fart. But that's about it. Just a quickie. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Hopefully we don't have World War III. Hopefully you're driving a hybrid or something that doesn't guzzle a lot of gas. All that fun stuff. Be one heck of a year. Hopefully it's a good year. Stay tuned.